Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open a real account in Metatrader 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. First is go to the desired server into the line and tap on real account. It'll turn into this page which is under the brokers. Now from here, all you're going to do is to select the Metatrader Software Corporation and then click on open a real account and click here on open real account. You need to verify first your first and last name, address, as you can see here, specific email, and a phone number. Click on next and specify a specific address, like for example your state, city, zip code, and more. And then click on next. Now after that, all you need to do is to highlight also your identification documents, like for example your passport, ID license, and ready your camera in order for you to scan them. And then after that, just simply follow the prompts in order for you to create your account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.